Hello everybody. Today we want to draw this part. As you see, we have too many features here. So we should find a strategy, the best strategy to draw this part and of course to be easier. So everybody has his strategy. For me, I will do mine. So I will draw this profile first. I will start my drawing from here. So we have here, you can see like a rectangle of 160 of length and the height of 10 millimeter. We have this surface too, that one who has a 35 in the height, and we have those small rectangle. This one is gonna be another sketch. So now we're gonna focus only from this surface and this one and this one and this one. So it's only the rectangles. So we will start. We're gonna choose to sketch from XY plane. So first rectangle. First of all, you should set up your units. We have here millimeter. So here you go to tools, document setting, and then you choose units and millimeter. Okay. So now we set up our dimensions. We have here, as we said, we have 10 millimeter, and for here we have 160. Yeah, is this surface from here to here. So now we're gonna sketch our second rectangle like that. Of course, the dimension to make our sketch fully constrained and finished. We have the height is 35 millimeter. And the third rectangle should be like this, who has a height of 10 millimeter. So to make these two lines finished, we should add some dimensions. Maybe we need this one. Yeah. Should remember always that we shoot dimensions from the origin of our plan. That's our origin. So after we're gonna do the extrude, we go back always to our photo. We have here, we're gonna extrude this rectangle by 80 and this one by 10 and this one by 50. So we choose the first profile. It's gonna be that one. Don't forget always to make everything symmetric. That way it's gonna be easy for the next features. Always center your sketch. We said for this rectangle it's gonna be 80, and for that one is 10, and for the small one it's gonna be 50. It's okay. That's our base profile. Now we will try to add some cats like uh, that one. As you see, we have from here to here is 22. So if we add the radius of that fillet, and the radius of that fillet is 8 plus 8. So the length is gonna be 22 plus 8 plus 8. It will be 38. And for the depth, it's gonna be um, from here to here is gonna be the radius of that fillet, which means 16 plus the radius of that fillet too, which means 8. So it's gonna be 16 plus 8 is 24. Like this, we get the dimension of this cat. So we're gonna try to sketch this. Of course, we're gonna sketch from that surface, and then we'll make extrude. So let's go here, make create sketch. We choose the rectangle, of course, to be always symmetric. We choose that one to point and center. That one is more easy, so you can start from the middle, and after you fix your dimensions, we said here it's gonna be 3/8, and then we will do the extrude. We're gonna change the directions, gonna be the other side. Of course, we choose the boolean is gonna be cats, this one, and the distance is gonna be 24. That's it. We should do the same thing for the other side, but of course, to make it easily, we're gonna use the mirror function. So here we have to create a mirror for parts or for feature. Here we select first your feature. It's gonna be this one. You should see it's on green. And after you choose the plane of symmetric, it's gonna be XY, and you hit OK. Here we go. It's easy. Now we're gonna add fillets. Fillets for that corner, for this one, and all the fillets exist on the profile. You have fillet here of radius of 8, and the other ones is with a radius of 16. So I'm gonna do one by one. Fillets, we hit fillets, removal, we go to fillets, and you add your radius, and you choose the edge that has the fillet. For example, here and here. And here, those have the same radius of 8. And you hit OK. Or if you have more with different radius, you can hit plus, and you change your radius. We said that for those, they have 16 in the radius. So you hit 16 and you select the edge. It's easy. Like this. Here we go. Now, the hardest part in this part is gonna be this one. Is that curve. So to draw that curve, it should be a born feature. Born feature means it's gonna be related to the origin. So we should go to the origin. We shoot the plane. It's gonna be XY plane. We're gonna sketch from this plane like that. Double click and add sketch. So let's zoom in to this drawing to see the dimensions. So we have here a circle of 7.5 over radius, and the location of the center of that circle gonna be in height of 59.21 from the top view of that surface. So, and we have also another circle here. So we're gonna figure it out how to do that sketch. So first of all, we're gonna start to find the location of center of the circle first. So it's 59.21 from the top view. So from here, it's gonna be 59.21. We're gonna draw a line like that of 59.22, right? 21. Sorry, it's 21. And after, we're gonna draw a circle. A circle has a radius of 77.5, means diameter of 155. So now after we offset the circle, we're gonna go to the extrude. So first of all, we should cut this part. So we're gonna hit this one and we choose volume by cat by 50, and we're gonna choose this surface and this one. And also we should extrude that curves, that one. So we hit plus and we choose join. We select this one And as we see in the file, you have that dimension from here of the curve. The width of the curve is 40. So here we're gonna hit 40. And here we go. Repeat. Okay. And we are done. Now we're gonna add the holes. We have those. They have diameter of 16, 8 holes of diameter of 16, and those have 10 diameter of 10, 4 holes. So we're gonna do them easy. We choose the regular hole. It's not countersink or something. Or counterbore is only the hole, regular hole with the same diameter. For the parameter here, we have the height of the hole is gonna be for this one, and either for this one is gonna be 10, and the diameter for here we said it's gonna be 60. So we hit here, we fix the distance. We have here is 4 by 15 and 15. So we click in this edge to add the location of the hole from that side. It's gonna be 15, and you select this edge. Don't hit OK until you finish. Hit that edge and you add the dimensions, the location of the hole from the other side. So it's gonna be on 15 too, like that. You add the other hole. You do the same thing. Don't hit OK. Just select that edge, add the dimension of 15, and select um, this edge. Because we don't have here, we cannot select this one because it's a fillet. It's a fillet. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna choose that one. So it's gonna be 15 plus 30. So it's 45. 45. No, for that one is 15. And from here is 45. There we go. Now we hit OK. After, we're gonna use only the mirror for the other holes. So we choose here mirror for those. We choose select the feature. The feature is the two holes, and the symmetric plane. We start by XY and we hit OK. There we go. We do the same thing for the other side. So we hit those and those in the same time, and we choose the YZ plane as a symmetric plane, and we hit OK. There we go. We're gonna do the same thing for the pole of this part. We have pole of 8 of the height is 10 and the diameter is 8. So we will do the same thing. We should be attention to the location of the hole. We have here it's 15 from here to here, and the other one, and 30, yeah, it's 10. 10 from the edge to the center. So, mhm, so it's 10 on here and 15 on here. We're gonna add the second one. It's gonna be 10 from here and 15 from here. And we hit OK. We do the mirror again. We choose the feature. It's gonna be the two holes. And the plane is gonna be YZ. If you are confused about choosing which plane, just try them all and you see which one is gonna be the good one to make it as a symmetry. For this case, it's gonna be YZ because we wanna copy these two holes to the right side. So of course we're gonna choose the YZ plane and we hit OK. And we are done. I hope that you learned something new about this feature and don't forget to subscribe and or thank you.